Today I'm going to share with you my process of coloring florals using alcohol markers. I'm sure you're going to have fun as you experience joy and immense satisfaction of coloring with alcohol markers. Together we will sketch and color some bright, cheerful and fresh looking florals. Hi, I'm Pooja. I'm a watercolor artist and a surface designer based out of North America, and I welcome you to my Skillshare class. I am the author of the book Modern Watercolor Workshop, which recently launched and is now open for pre-orders. You can learn more about my book on www.modernwatercolorworkshop.com. I also license my art to various brands and my artwork is published on several lifestyle products. I also create content which I share regularly on my Instagram account and YouTube channel, so be sure to follow and subscribe to get daily dose of art inspiration. If you have been following my classes, you may have joined me in the first class I published about alcohol markers, a complete beginner's guide to using them. More than 2000 students have watched and learned from this class, in which I have explained everything you need to know about starting your journey with alcohol markers. We talk about paper, different kinds of brush tips, coloring and blending techniques, and lots of do's and don'ts. If you are new to alcohol markers, I highly recommend you watch this class first. You can also explore my second alcohol marker class, in which I teach you to create modern contemporary style artwork using a neutral or bohemian color palette. It is a fun class in which we use alcohol markers to create simple and minimalistic pieces of artworks. And now in this class we will explore alcohol markers to paint bright and colorful florals such as tulips, sunflowers, daisies and pansy flowers. I will sketch and color each project with you in a step-by-step manner as I share all the color swatches and detailed coloring tips. Alright, with all that information in place, we can now start coloring some flowers.